Now at the top here on the driver's side, you just have two 13mm nuts. You'll want to back those nuts off, and then you can just feed this down and out. You can feed this on this side. On this side, you also have a 13mm nut here on this brace, and then the two at the top. So go ahead and take all those off, take this off, and then you can feed your secondary cats out, and then we're gonna be feeding the new pipes in. All right, so here looking at the driver's side, you can see it's off really simply. Now, one thing I wanna point out, you'll notice that there's a gasket right here, the silver gasket. This is a heat-resistant gasket that should be on both sides. On the passenger side, it actually slid off with the pipe that I took off. So make sure to check for it. So if you don't see this here on either side, it's stuck in the flange of the pipe you just took off. So just be very careful when you take them out. Because of the material, I almost always wear gloves when I touch these. So just be really careful with that. So this is really simple at this point. So now just take the new pipe, slide it onto the bolts. As you can see down here, I've already taken the clamp, but I've just hung it over the lower pipe so we can fit this all nicely up into place. Now, you will have a little bit of give, as you can see here in your exhaust line. And we'll talk about this when we tighten it down. But go ahead and get the two new pipes hung on both sides.